Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I will be doing an get ready with me instead of a get ready with me. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking off my makeup because I do have a full glam beat and it's 11:22. I'm basically going to walk you through my nighttime skincare routine, I guess. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair up and not up, I'm going to put it in a low bun. Just because I want to get it out the way. So before I take off my eyelashes, I'm going to take my eyelash little bed case where they go to sleep. Ow. And I'm going to put them to sleep. Just like that. Oh. So after I do that, I kind of have a step-by-step. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I'm just like, whatever, I don't want to do it. But today I'm going to do it because it is important. Sorry, I moved my chair a little up. I thought it was a little too low. First off, I'm going to take my makeup off for everything, and to do that, I've been using the Cetaphil makeup removing wipes. I usually use, I don't really even know what brand it is. It's from Marshalls. The makeup wipes from Marshalls are so good. They don't irritate my skin at all, which is crazy. They're like the big, thick pack of makeup wipes, and I think 60 comes in each pack, and they're only like $3-4. I can't remember, but since Marshalls is currently closed, we're gonna have to improvise. So I went to CVS and I was like, all right, what wipes do I get? I don't use these kind of wipes, and I do not like the Neutrogena wipes. A lot of people like the Neutrogena wipes, the blue pack of wipes, but I hate it. It irritates my skin so bad, and it just, I don't know. So I started trying these, and these don't irritate my skin at all. Let me tell you, they aren't the best wipes, but they do not irritate my skin. It feels like there's lotion on it, which I'm not surprised if there is, because Cetaphil does have a really good lotion line. So yeah. So right now I'm just taking it off. Just taking off the top parts. Like, this isn't taking off all my makeup, I know that. It's just taking off the majority of it. Okay, so now that I used this, I only used this side of the makeup wipe. I didn't take a lot off. I usually go in with a makeup remover oil or cream or balm, anything, but today I'm going to be using the Pond's Cold Cream. This is a makeup remover cream, so basically it looks like and feels like regular face cream, but it's not. So I put a lot on just to really get in my skin and just rub it everywhere. I really like this because, one, when it goes on my eyes, it doesn't melt, like drip in my eye. Like, the oil will literally usually drip in my eyes, but this, I can literally put it all around my eyes and it will not irritate it. And plus, it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't start dripping down my neck. I could control it, so that's why I like it more than oil, but the oil does take off a lot. So now that this is done, I'm going to go back in with the wipe and just wipe it off. Usually I'll be in the bathroom doing this, and I'm usually just like washing it off, obviously, because you're supposed to wash it off, but I'm not in the bathroom right now. So also, when I wear a lot of eyeliner, I just kind of go like this and go in my eye. I could do that because I'm not really sensitive around my eyes. Like, I could have people like touching my eyes, and I trust I won't poke my eye out, but some other people can't like go near their eyes for some reason, and you could just wash it off then. And we're done with this. Okay, so now what I do is I use a face wash. So I've tried out a lot of different face washes, like cleansers, smoothers, foam, just the regular micellar water face washes. I've tried them all, and the one I really like is the Kylie Skin Foaming Cleanser. This one's really good. It doesn't dry out my skin like others. It doesn't like feel, I don't know, just having not dry skin after you're like thoroughly washing your skin is great. It's different from like having oily skin. I don't come out the bathroom oily. I just don't come out so dry like my face is cracking, because I do have dry skin. I can't remember if it has a smell or not, but I don't think it smells bad. What I like about the foaming ones instead of like the gel ones is that it's already foaming. You don't need water to start it up. As I'm rubbing it into my skin more and more, it's going to dry up and I'm going to need water. The gel ones, you need water to start it off. This one you do not. Okay, so right now I don't have any water with it, so now it's like drying up. It's getting harder to mix in. So it's getting harder to like moisturize in the skin. So I'm going to go put water and wash it in the sink. I'm going to also use one of these bad boys. So, so I'm going to go use it with that too. But you can use any one. This is just a little one from Ulta. So I'll be right back. So the next part that I'm sorry about my hair. The next part that I'm going to do is, you don't have to do it if you don't wear eyelashes, or if you want to, you can do it in the water in the bathroom, but I want to show you guys what I'm doing. I have eyelash glue in between my eyelashes because I was wearing eyelashes. Falsies. So I have glue there still. It's kind of hard to take off, but not that hard to take off. So I have the close-up mirror on this side. The other side broke, so I'm just going to grab the makeup wipe and kind of rub, and if I need to, I'll grab my fingers and pick at it. See? It's gross. Hold on. It's disgusting, but I'm taking it off, so. Okay, so that took a little while because I was picking at my forehead and now it's all red. So now for my skincare, right after I wash my face, I don't go straight to moisturizer, I go straight to toner. So the toner I use is usually the Thayers. I think it's Thayers Witch Hazel toner, and this is in the scent Cucumber. Either that or I'll use the Tarte Knockout Tingling treatment. That's what it's called. It's weird. It's not a toner exactly, but I usually put this on where my pimples are. So I'm just going to grab a little cotton ball with some of the Thayers toner on it. It's better to use a cotton pad, but I ran out a few weeks ago, so we're just going to have to go with this and go all around the face. Okay, so as you can see, it was Tarte. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one, but I'm only going to use it to clean my pimples this time. Hey guys, sorry to pause the video really quick. Let me take this out. So I'm pausing it because I want to show you guys like how this is only a few days after I recorded the video and I'm editing it right now. So I just want to show you how my pimples are looking, because in the video they're very red and bright. Right now they're barely there. There's just a little bit of scarring, but you can easily get rid of that. So I just want to show you there is a reason why it hurts so bad, but it's because it works. So you probably think I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. It really hurts. After that, that's when I go in with a serum. I usually only use serums right before I go to sleep, so I'm usually using a night serum. Sorry, I was picking which one I want to use. I'm gonna use the Farmacy Moon Glow Night Serum. This one's really good and it really smells bad. It also, you know when you don't use it for a while and the gunk. I haven't used this one in a while. Where did I say it? I forgot where I said it. I don't know if it was Instagram or here. I may be repeating myself, but oh no, I did it on my Instagram stories, I remember. But it's really not good to use the same products over and over and over again. You could still use them, just don't use them so repeatedly because your skin's gonna get used to it. So say this one, it's supposed to repair, what is it? Okay, so basically it smoothens your complexion. It's very strong. It's hurting my eyes. Wow, I haven't used this in so long, I'm not used to it. It's just supposed to be resurfacing your skin, so basically clearing it all out. I have a lot of acne coming right here. Quarantine has me stressed because I think it has everybody stressed. It's not only me, so I can't really complain about it. It's everybody in the whole entire world, especially the United States right now. So yes, it's not really good to repeat your skincare routine over and over again. So what I do is you could repeat the same steps, just use different products. If you can't use different products, use it bi-weekly. Don't use it every single bi-weekly. Yeah, bi-weekly. Don't use it every single week because then your skin's gonna get really used to it. Maybe one week use all your products, the other week just use water, use a bar of soap or something, or just your face wash. Just switch it up around. Okay, right after that, I'll usually put my eye cream. Oh, my bad. Okay, so the eye cream I'm using is the Murad Ultimate Hydration Moisturizer Eye something. It's a really long name, but it's basically Murad eye cream. Okay, now I can go to my moisturizer. So recently I've been using the Ola Hendrickson cream, gel cream, I think it is. C something gel cream. So I've been using that one for a while, but since Corona, I can't go to Sephora and get it because at Sephora I would get like the the kit, like the eye cream, the moisturizer, the serum, all for a very cheap price. Sorry, it's really late and I'm tired. It's about to be 12 o'clock. So they have it for a really good price, and now I have to get it online and pay shipping. It's just not worth it. I went to CVS and did a little bit of research, and I got this one. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It looks just like the one you used before. Yes, it does. It looks the same, but this one's a makeup remover. This is not. This has a lighter teal cap, and this has a blue. What color blue is this? This is a dry skin facial cream. This will really oil up your skin if you use it a lot. Don't use so much. That is perfect for both sides of your face. Probably even too much. Don't use a lot of it. I knew when I got it that it was going to be like too much. Sorry, my camera shut off. I don't know why I got the big one, but I did for some reason. So I just use a little bit of little. You can use it on your body too, I think. Rub it all over my skin. Going down to my neck if I put too much that day. Oh, that felt good. I'm trying to think if there's something else fancy that I do, but I don't. Okay, we'll be fancy and put some spray today. Mist. Okay, so this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is so good. Ah, it feels so good. It doesn't feel good. Alright, we're good. So guys, that is my get unready with me, get ugly with me. It's not even that funny, I'm just really tired. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this type of video. I hope next time I do it, it's going to be better, more products, longer. I don't know. I tried. It was my first time, so. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below any other videos you'd like me to see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell button if you want to see more videos like this and be notified. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.